I'm coming home, it's a holiday and America can win me now. Christmas a J, what a happy crowd. Ready dance them, the country come down. I'm coming home, it's a holiday, can't win me now. Christmas a J, what a happy crowd. Ready dance them, the country come down. The wine cake and the red.
Morning guys, morning. So we're here up and running. Put on some clothes. We'll take on the country road. We'll go Brainerd now. So here's Vanquisha. Say hi, Vanquisha.
Hi.
She'll go on with herself. I'll get her thing up and running. And then we'll take on some journey right away. Put on a little cap because it look raining on the outside and lighting bad. A little way away. So soon start vlog, alright?
Good morning, guys. So this morning but this morning we'll get ready. Patel already started off the vlog. It look like it's not gonna rain, but we'll leave out to Patel have a few things to do, right? Or you not none of them stuff in the way. Tell me, just don't get me into the house. Well, him tell me say I have one list of things to do, and he tell me to get up and get ready. But I guess I lie, did I lie? But I know where I go Bernard, and I know where I go
Lions Tavern,
and where I go
Highgate, Gun Market, Ocherius.
Yeah, so you go bank and you go do all of them stuff. You're so lie.
No, I get a good deal on a truck, right?
You lie? You just don't get me into the
Sunday,
house.
I get a good deal on a truck.
Alright, whatever.
However, I see the truck on picture, right? But I don't see the truck in person. So I'm going to look on the truck today. And if it suits me, then I just shot at the bank same time before bank close and just buy it. You get me?
So that we're going to do all of that right now. But first we get something to eat. Or we're going to eat.
I guess I could go Bernard to eat.
We're going to Bernard to eat because we're late. We'll leave out really late. Or Patel take forever to get dressed. I don't know that. Him did have on this the first time, you know, and him take it off and put on something else. Alright, whatever. I'm up the car door now, perhaps. You want me lock it back when you drive out? Oh. The gate, I know. What me through somebody that drink last night? But it never finished. Oh. Alright, we'll start.
Me was the place me can't forgot. Me cure them soon up so me a go one more parking spot. No I ain't up on the rocks when me a roll out on the yacht. Girl they a plus.
Straight back to gun down for tavern. Rich man work I did.
Disgusting man. Look, someone get barbecue wings and Patel get spicy. You want some barbecue? If we walk Patel stop. Somebody has stopped him and asked him for something.
Yo, I forgot to start with the Santa hat. People them take me for Santa Claus, what? Sure though.
I don't understand why them walking on the road like they never see car in a hospital. Anyway, I gotta eat my soup, come back.
See, I just the image. Oh, the traffic in the Highgate.
You sure not to walk out?
Them block out so I'm next to each road.
Nobody can go in and out, you have to walk.
For Grand Market, and I said it's not gonna be blocked until like 2 or 3.
That's it. Shop
Sunday,
nice.
you have KFC in your teeth, right? So come back to it.
That's insured.
So, yeah man, license insured. Yeah man.
Make sure it's insured.
Uncle Verley, like Auntie Simone, run off business.
Yeah. Make sure it's insured.
Rock it up. Christmas meat for tomorrow. DJ, big up. Out there. Nandi. You people are my big up, man. Alright, so we got the slaughterhouse. Nandi low that. Split up, we got the people them. Out there.
Out and tons, you know.
Custom. Big up the people them. Out and stunting. They're the slaughterhouse.
6 pounds of beef. I want 4 pounds of beef. Make a drink.
So, hold on. Miss Jasmine.
Top, take picture of me.
Miss Pat.
Knock him out.
Auntie Aya, say hi to the vlog. Say hi to the vlog, yeah.
4 pounds of meat.
Miss Aya, camera shy. Who that young let's start? Do him do already.
How much a blind man?
Alright, sorry Lexi. Lexi, you have the whole time figure vlogging, Lexi. So, you know, when I hear about country cooking, I mean, this is what we do in the country, right? I'm going to show you what going on. Alright, look on the goat head them. So the man the goat head them, that cut up and put in a soup and them thing there. Roast breadfruit and them thing there go on and them thing there. Right. Joshua right away. Yeah man, the great Joshua did that, you know? The great daddy. Yeah man, we're there up on the ground. But we have some whole heap of vlog to do. Because the whole entourage soon roll out, the whole country entourage. Yeah, you know we're there now soon, so we're going easy. The great Xavier Marshall. Where you a big footballer there? I am that, you know. Big up the vlog, big up the vlog. So big up the one and stop smile.
Big up.
Alright, who them there now? Rissa. Picking them a high to right. Jesus peace. Alright, I know from Sammy and Sandy's life, I'm supposed to know the king already. So, my there with the king. You know, say it was Hardy and the king soon get crowned and them thing there. King, short the vlog, the man.
Yeah, man, big up everybody, you know. Everybody, other than that.
The great Messiah Moza.
Right.
Alright. We're there upon the ground.
Tell him. And I think one here.
Yeah, pattern as you call the picture. You are like forged up with man, woman. Like,
See, me and Mr. Gowie there, you know. Right? Mr. Gowie, tell them, say, we have, Mr. Gowie, we are the man in our country with little color, right?
Alright.
Right, our girl.
We run the place.
Our girl.
Yes, I'm disrespect. I know some man. I say the community young. I yoga that you know, I can't get too good. Give me something now, man. Gas it beside. What I know.
Oh, you want to sit beside her?
Yeah. Man, clean. Could you make a catch man inside? Could you? Well, I'm pretty smart. Can you imagine? We sat down and I said, rascal, me not. Because body is sorry about that. You know, make a relax, make nerves that give me problem. I'm going to put out my super.
Alright. I'm take picture, man. But I have video now.
Please, pussy, man.
Hey, the boy, if you ever please, puss.
Ugly so. Come here, I'm trying to make content with me. I don't care trouble me. The last time one man trouble me, you know, so I have to get married, go to work to get it. Give me the verbal, give me the verbal.
May I buy it for you, man?
No, come here, my friend. God knows you. I feel you know, so I'm not going to you can't chat me. You chat me to the judgment not to rascal. Sorry, man. Good day, man. Judgment to rascal. Give me doing those. The thing can't chat me.
Tell him say I have bread. You know, what Peter Junker?
Tell a bread, dog. Not a fucking tongue pat here. Doberman with the sessions.
Stress.
God, get a minute.
You ready for the bourbon?
Yeah. And thanks before I get it. Then I'm going to come to rascal. I come to give me a room. I say, no, sorry for me a blood clot. Now they get a cuss bad with it. Could you imagine? Rude. And to me a go with that woman, crazy father, me a man of steaming. Because to me a crossbreed dog. And anybody may beg nothing, you know. Don't give me shit about the brother.
So, people, I'm a family this, you know, Edgerton.
Can I go show
So-
that? Just show that whole man. Come.
Oh,
come.
me not show nobody, man.
Let me look now. But me. Show the net. Can I go show that? Hey girl, hey old man, old lady. Oh, you there? Show it now.
Yeah, man, them are see it. Say it on the internet. I buy a room.
Where you getting it from today?
I give you money. You go buy a for you want buy.
Yeah, give me.
How much money you want?
I don't me not put up my stress and if you give me thank you very much. But me not fucking ready, I see my blood clot face, you know. You know I'm going to tell me auntie, sorry to call auntie, don't know what is your name. But this young boy don't live bad, you know. Anyway, me go me get you. God will bless. If I don't have a turkey leg, may God bless you. I want one woman round the way as a lady going down the road, you know. And I want lady $50.
How much you want?
That's not enough for the video.
Then give me the money.
Give me your candy. I'm a father who I don't know. I'm a poor relief.
Hey, when I talk about sample, man, you know. Hey, may I give you money, sir? Tell the people them bye-bye. May I put up
May God bless if I don't have a turkey leg. And I don't want to, I don't eat meat for, you know, about 3 days I don't eat no meat.
What 3 days long?
It's long.
I know, he thinking too tough. A guy give me a problem with some goat. I say, my God. I went and called manager and get him done something for me. I said, the car driving up there. I said, live, you know. But sometimes you say, my cousin, I can't live feeling. Moses lying on my hand. You laugh.
I feel like tooth for a tooth.
Yeah, that me I say. That man call my cousin and beg him go now up at the lane and the gas up at his screen and go up and tell him we and say I come down and come check him.
No, what that?
No. There's no more choice.
Nobody do no badness.
That's what one lady tell me. I say, God, you go down a Macedonia.
How that boy? That boy has trouble, eh?
None of them can do me nothing. One man took me to one bar, lucky that him beat him back. I tell this pussy have to kill the man for me. And I take Moses line on me hand. I say,
So hold on, you're going like me never did it. Me never did it.
where?
Up a lucky you.
When the boy they lick me, I'm
Yeah.
drunk and paro.
Yeah.
And we then they dream.
They mash him up. The first, alright, we can tell exactly what happened. Alright.
You know what to go in your camera.
Me are going on the camera.
You saw me follow my brother.
Alright. A boy, lick you.
Yeah.
And I said, more for us a junkie man. But he never knows how you're drunk. A man said, where do I go? The first right hand and get. I see us a swell big out, sir. People that step at, hey, all of them man, I say, oh,
yeah.
but then the man, so I go, all dummy are beating. Great Edgerton. Stress. Yeah, man, they up on the ground. Yeah, man, no, man. They are raising the elders.
We are called that. Me a young boy, me a fan.
Alright. So, we'll soon take on back some vlogging again. Right? Then Ireland.
Me look your name. You know,
Awesome.
Papa, you better use some more than me. But me know you two can't handle. You know where that? We have blood clot. Lord have mercy! What a stress!
Let's say tool now work.
Well, lady come down at the bar, you know. We have a bar up each of the court base, you know. Big girl, them, yeah. You think about your budget and food. I mean, you know, card, they give me something.
Dead out like like a fear man.
I can't get me dead raise you, but me know why you raising my blood. Mama, what do you say?
So we're out there doing it with no fear. Auntie Sandy sit down miserable. Upon her. Miserable. I'm there with my friend them. Me have a friend. Madras. Alright. Look how I go. Madras, pick up the vlog, man.
Pick up the whole line out, man, them in that place of me, I say, Bernardo come from. Yeah, St. Mary thing. Extreme family thing. Large, as me, I say, Madras.
Alright. Access. So I said get body now. Me have couple of my friends.
Mad. I ain't that. We ain't that to play. Bernard, look from. I'm Bernard. Look at that.
Mad. Chop. So Steve, big up the vlog there, man. Big up, right away. God have it. And the man this make the roots, you know.
Man, tell it, man. Drink when you see a strong, you can't go wrong. You have to have a pick in a pram. And we say that. You understand me?
Ba.
And we are the tonic, man. Look at that.
Hear that?
And we are the tonic, man.
Tonic man.
Ever strong.
Can't go wrong.
Yeah.
Drink one. You stay strong.
Have a pick in a pram.
Big up Tatina.
Are you sex long?
No. They up on the flag. Yellow.
The rum drinker.
Ressa, big up the flag there, man.
Me say, me know where you going now. Grandma,
I am Tata, black man.
Uncle me talk about me and grandma inside Dana. Could you? No, look.
Start now. Stress start.
Stress them.
Camera bright now. You want what put that now?
We don't have to do that.
Yeah?
Me come here and make complaint.
They go and eat.
You say me one year I'm not happy with you. You don't follow them now. Mom over there do one shit now. You're done now.
What's the wine there?
Yo, right now them man are tough for a water cat. But my fan die bourbon. Talk to the vlog man. No man, in a sex food. Alright, so I mash up some food now. Some curry, chicken and stew, curry and stew chicken. Now eat some food now. Yeah.
So if me want to drop me goat, we don't have to
Jump your goat.
I feel
I feel good. I see what's in. What on? Steve.
Yeah, couple of my friends. Big up five, big up the vlog there, man. Bad. Mr. B. Yeah man, every time.
Christmas a J, what a happy crowd. When the dance them, left and country come down. I'm coming now, it's a holiday, can't money now. Christmas a J, what a happy crowd. When the dance them, left and country come down. The wine cake set a record.